This is a 5-minute arm toning workout for women that's going to get you amazing results. All standing, no weights, and you can do it in a small space. So if you're ready to start toning your arms, let's get started. So here's a preview of the first move. This one is brilliant for working the back of the upper arms. You can see we're in a split stance and we're just bending and extending through the elbows. So just come into position. Now take your arms up and now we're just going to straighten and then bend. So let's just keep this going. You're going to do this for 30 seconds. Where that arrow is pointing is where we're really working through your arms. This is really great for your triceps. So just 5 minutes arm toning routine. Let's just keep going. So keep those elbows lifted. Make sure your palms are facing in and then they're pointing slightly up as you extend. So now for your next move, you can see, stay in the same position, but now just pulse. Palms now face up and just give me those tiny little pulses. Again, we're still working through that same area. Keep going. We're in that split stance. 30 seconds. So you'll really feel that working, but this is how we're going to get those amazing arms and really amazing results. So for your next move, this time we're going to come up to standing and you're just going to imagine with your arms, you're going to draw the letter C. So just give me these like half semi-circles coming up and then circle the arms back. Just make sure your knees are slightly bent for me, tummy is tight, and this one here, really lovely working through the shoulders and the arms. So it's non-stop. That's why we don't need to use weights, because we're using body weight through endurance. So for your next move, you're going to have your arms out wide, palms face in, and then just open and close. So open out wide and close. This one also is really lovely to work through the chest and really work through those arms, shoulders, even your upper back. Take those arms out as wide as you can. Also make sure you don't drop the height of the arms for me. All right, that's good. And then you can see your next move. This time, you're just going to do these tiny little circles. So keep your fingertips in line with the shoulders. You can be in a slight split stance if you find that more comfortable. Just rotating tiny little circles. So we're really working here through the deltoids, through your arms and your shoulders. So just 5 minutes to tone your arms, and then we're going straight back. The next move is the one we did at the beginning. So let's repeat these 5 moves. So step 1 foot back and lean slightly forward from the hips, elbows up, and just extend. So just extend through those arms. So remember, we're feeling that through the tricep, that area, what they call it, bingo wings, auntie arms, bat wings, but this is a really great exercise to really target that area. All right, that's good. So just keep that going. Then we're going to go straight to the next move. Keep those arms up and now palms facing up and just lift tiny, tiny little pulses. And you can really feel that working through the arms. And as I always say, one of the best way to work your muscles, tone and sculpt is body weight. We don't need to use extra weight because we're using our own body weight. And this is actually a lot safer on your joints and for long-term health. All right, that's it. And next move, so imagine we're just drawing that half circle, come up, then circle it back. Just make sure your knees are slightly bent for me, tummy muscles pulled in tight, and just give me that circle. Good. And always work through that fullest range of motion, and even just imagine you've got resistance there, so you're really controlling these muscles. All right, that's good. We've got 2 moves left to go. So next one, keep the arms up, palms face in, open and close, and just imagine you're pushing something really heavy, then you're pushing it back. Again, add that resistance. This one here will also really help improve your posture. That's good. And then the final move, we're just going to go back to those tiny little circles. So keep your arms out at shoulder height.
keep that going. And the great thing is with this exercise routine, you can do it at home. You can do this first thing in the morning, in the evening, you can do it in your pajamas. You can even do this in the office. These are easy little, what I call exercise snacks that you can do just to keep your body moving. All right, that's good. Last 10 seconds, keep those arms up nice and high. Last little bit.
Oh my goodness, you will really feel that in the arms. So well done. Now, if you want to do any more of my 5-minute small space workouts, there's a playlist here. You can quickly do your abs, glutes, whatever. Or if you're finished for today, cool down stretch is in the description down below. Really well done, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.